Hey everybody, this is Austin, and today I'm going to talk about niches. I'm going to try to attempt to do a 60-second affiliate marketing tip. This could be used for anybody, but this is really aimed for people that are just coming into the business, don't really know a lot about the business, and are just looking for some extra tips. Alright, so what is a niche? A niche basically is a specialized part of the market. So let's say that your market is baseball. A niche could be targeting people with, left-handed catchers. So you're selling left-handed mitts. That could be your niche. Or if you're selling nutrition, vitamin supplements, for instance, you could target your niche maybe women over 50. So those are just example of niches. Again, I only have 60 seconds. I'm getting ready to wrap up. So if you have any questions, check out my page. Hope you liked, and I'll try to do another one later.